Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to change your car's door panel fabric. Giving your car's interior a fresh look is a rewarding DIY project. You'll need a few key items to start, including specialized trim removal tools, various screwdrivers, and a sharp razor blade. Don't forget your chosen upholstery fabric and a reliable, heavy-duty spray adhesive for a lasting finish. First, you'll need to carefully remove your car's door panel. Begin by unscrewing any visible hardware, like armrests or door handle trims. Then, use a plastic trim removal tool to gently pry off the panel, detaching the clips. Once the panel is off, peel away the old fabric and meticulously scrape off all old foam and adhesive. A clean surface, prepared with rubbing alcohol, is crucial for the new fabric to bond properly. Now for the exciting part, applying your new fabric. Lay your old fabric piece on the new material and trace its shape, adding about 2 inches of extra material around the edges for wrapping. Apply a high-quality, heat-resistant spray adhesive to both the door panel and the back of your new fabric, letting it sit for a few minutes until tacky. Then, carefully position and smooth the fabric onto the panel, ensuring no wrinkles or air bubbles remain. With the new fabric in place, it's time for the finishing touches. Trim any excess material, leaving about 1 inch to tuck behind the panel for a clean edge. A heat gun can help activate the adhesive, creating a strong, lasting bond. Carefully cut out all necessary openings for your door handle and window switches. Finally, reattach the door panel to your car, securing all clips and screws, and enjoy your refreshed interior.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.